Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So what I currently did, I just applied a relaxer to my client's hair. So I want to show you guys what I do when I have someone that has fine hair and their hair is also relaxed. I want to show you guys what I do to give it more body, to give it more pizzazz, and just to make it look healthy and beautiful. So that's what this video is going to show you guys. And also happy Monday. And alrighty, let's get into the video. Alright, so what I'm doing right now, I am taking my hand dryer to finish blow drying out my client's hair. She was already under the dryer for 25 minutes. I placed her under the dryer to mold her hair the way I want it to be styled. So what I'm using is the handheld dryer to blow dry the rest of her hair to 100% dry. And the reason why I do this because it allows the hair to be fluffy and flowy and it's not stuck down to the scalp. So I love doing that. Now what I used was the Mazani Miracle 25 Nourishing Oil. This is what I apply all the time when I am doing my client's hair, whether their hair is straight or the hair is curly and I'm doing a silk press. I always apply that when the hair is 80% dry, and then I use the blow dryer to finish off the rest of drying the hair to seal in the product. Now what I'm doing right now is I'm taking a picture of how much needs to be taken off for a healthy cut, because we did have to cut my client's hair because she was receiving a lot of breakage, definitely in the middle. Now I did highly suggest to her to take her hair shorter than this, but she decided didn't want to, so we agreed to a level where she was comfortable, and then also she agreed to making sure she cared for her hair to make sure she doesn't receive any more breakage. So that's of course what we are hoping for, because you could go to a hairstylist, you guys, but you must, it's a must to take care of your hair at home, because you deal with your hair more than the hairstylist does. So what I'm currently doing, I'm applying layers in her hair to give her hair body, because of course when your hair is fine, or some people would say thin, when your hair is anything like that, then layers would definitely give you that body and that flowiness and the bounce and just beautiful look. So that's what I'm currently doing. I just applied the sheen to her hair. So this sheen gives an extra shine. So if you have seen any of my videos, I love the fact that my clients always leave with their hair looking shiny and smelling great. And that's because the products I use, so that extra shine always give it that awesome look. I call it like a glass shine, because it looks like the hair is like shiny and glassy. I love it. But currently at that point her hair was still a little bit damp, so I took the blow dryer and I made sure I dried the rest of her hair. You want to make sure your hair is 100% dry before you apply any type of heat tools to your hair, because you don't want to burn your hair out. So you making sure your hair is 100% dry, you guys. So what I'm currently doing is I'm doing really big curls around her hair, and that's what I'm going to do, and then I'm going to comb it completely out. I always allow the flat I said the flat irons. I'm sorry. I always allow the curling irons. When I pull it with like a little S, so it can just have that flowy look. And I'm going to do that on both sides. And I take medium sized sections for where I applied it. Like I said, in the middle of her hair is where it was, where she was receiving most of her breakage. But of course, me and her discussed about what she needs to do to care for her hair moving forward. So currently, as you guys can see, I'm doing it on both sides, and this is in fast mode. So I'm just trying to speed it up so we can get through this video. And yeah, that's what I'm going to do all over. I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the video, and I'll be right back.
10:30, no later than drop them drawers. I know what you want. I ask myself, is this shit real? I contemplate about how I feel, but you make it way too hard to think. stop, baby. No matter what I've seen in the past, I won't let it impact how we grow now, baby. I can't let it slip away, drift away, can go to waste. I say it straight to your face, won't contemplate. You got to play that, babe. I don't wanna wait another minute for you. I know you got me falling from the ceiling for you. You went from the start, there was no limit to you. And I'm catching feelings, baby.
All right, you guys, so we're coming to the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching my videos. Please remember to like and comment down below. If you don't have anything to say, then please just leave a smiley face and a heart, and I send one right back to you guys. Also, remember to subscribe to get more videos like this. I do upload very often. And remember to drink your water for healthy hair, skin, and nails. And I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye. Hey, you guys, so before you leave, I wanted to show you this cute bottle I found off of Amazon. So this is a half a gallon, and what stood out to me, guess. Look what 1 o'clock say. One time for the hair, skin, and nails. Now, we know I'm all about the hair, skin, and nails. And it says, take this water and hydrate, sis. Beyonce will be done by now. It's the glow for me after this coffee. Like, the sayings on this bottle is really, really cute, and it's just like really chic, really cute, really fashion forward. I thought this bottle was just very, very cute, especially for the fact that I speak so much about drinking water, you guys. So I was on Amazon and I was searching for me a water bottle, and this was perfect. So I got two. I got the second one for my sister, and they come in these two cute colors, the pink and green, and also the green and purple. And it's a half a gallon. Are you like me? I am a half a gallon girl. I'm not about to be chugging no full gallon of water everywhere I go, to the gym, out to my job, to my like bedroom. Everywhere I go, I'm pulling this big gallon, a jug of water. No, I take a half a gallon and I refill it again in the middle of the day. So you know I got to put the link down in the description down below, because I know you guys gonna want to get it. And also, it's very doable and easy to wash. So I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.